Hi, my name is Alana Mullins, and my student number is C144491168, and this is my assignment number 2 for system software. I'm just going to really quickly just go through the two files that I have. This is the overall architecture of the program. It's everything in here is explained in my documentation, but I'll just quickly go through my two files. So this is my server file. There is no make file, so they both have to be compiled separately. So this one, because it has pthread in here, needs to be compiled with -pthread in the compile line. Just before I forget. So basically, the server, when it's run, it creates a socket. You can see it here. It then binds the socket to the desired port address, or the port and IP address. Once that's done, it remains in a listening state. So I'm going to run that here in my Debian to show you. So it will stay listening until there is a connection from my client program. Once the connection happens, I initialize the mutex lock. I accept the connection, and then I create a thread that will be used for the lock, and then I assign the client handler, which is also in this function. So go here. It calls client handler, so in here, I'm waiting for input from the client. So the client will send me the username and password that was entered by the user and that's running the program. So then I call another function in this file called authenticate and make sure that this info that was entered matches the username and password associated with the system, which is just a file called users.file.txt, which has a username and password saved like this for everybody in the system. So it just checks that it's in there, and then I give feedback to the client to say that either the information is valid and everything was authenticated, or I tell the client to tell the user that login was denied. Once that's passed, then we can take the file name and the folder name and from the client, and then I make sure that one of the folders that was given is one of the options, including root, which would be like the internet folder. So if that's okay, then I check to make sure if it's root or not. If it's root, it needs a separate path kind of declared, so I just make sure that's correct. Then I lock the file and I tell the client that I've started the transfer. Then once this checks everything's been copied over. Once everything's been copied over to the right file in the right folder, then I unlock the file, I close the file, and I send a log, and then I tell the client that the transfer was done successfully. And this one here says that the transfer was started. So send log is just this file here, just opens the log file and reads in all this information, the username, the file it was saved, the folder it was saved to, and the date and time, and it just saves that in the log file. And then the only other function I haven't mentioned is authenticate, which is here. And so that just takes in the client's username and password that was entered by the user, and it runs through every saved username and password in that file that I showed you, and if it finds a match, it sends a 1, and if it doesn't, it sends a 0, and then that's how the tell everything is on. So then in the client side of the program, similar again, we start by creating a socket, and this time after we bind it, or after we declare everything, all our variables and stuff, and get it going, we connect to the to the soft program that's listening. Once we've connected, I call a function called getLoginInfo, which gets the username and password that was entered by the user, and we send that to the server. Then after that, we do basically the same thing again with the file we want to send in the folder, and we send that to the socket. Then handle feedback is just a function that sends the response to the client so that the user knows what's happening to confirm that everything's going smoothly. Then the send file function actually sends the file to the server. Then we give more feedback, and then we close when everything's done. So feedback user is called by handle feedback. So in the server, when we send these rights here, the client socket rights, the client then picks them up here with the if received, and if there's a problem, it'll print the error. But if not, it checks to see which one it was, because there's only so many possibilities, and then it sends the correct text to the feedback user, which is this first one here, and this just prints it in the client so that the user knows what's going on. GetLoginInfo is the function that's called to get the username and password. It's very simple. And get path and folders is very similar as well. And then the only other one there that I haven't mentioned is send file. So send file opens file, reads the content, and then once we know how much of the data was sent, it then exits and sends off the file to the server. So that's how everything works, and then I'm just going to show you everything running. So I'm in my Debian here, and this is my folder setup. So in my files on client, that's where, say, the user has all the files stored. So I'm going to send this one, demo.txt, and it just has, it's quicker to open them this way, it just has some content in there. So then we're going to send that to one of the folders that's in here, and then I'll break it along the way to show you it not working and stuff. So on this one, we're just going to run our server. So that's the bind went fine, and now it's just listening for our client, which we're going to run this one. So the connection was made. We're inside the client handler, and we're waiting for input from the user. So my name is one of the users that you can use. So I was authenticated because I was in that file. That user and password is in the file. So then I want to move demo.txt, and then I just need to pick one of these folders. So we're going to say marketing. So I can see that the transfer started, that's how big the file was, and then it's confirmed that everything was sent okay. So if I go into marketing, you see demo.txt was sent successfully, and just check that the wasn't empty, 100%. Takes a while to open. Yeah, so the content was sent as well, so it wasn't a blank file. So everything works all the way through, so I'm just going to show you it breaking. So I can run the client again, and I can run someone that's not a user name or password that's in that file, so that didn't let me in. And I can run again and give a correct username and password, and then give a file name that's not there, and it should break. Yeah, so I couldn't find that file, so kicking it again. And what else can I do? I can pick a wrong folder. So I'm going to do download.txt, and I can do just I'll spell marketing wrong this time, so it couldn't find that folder, so that's not a folder. And then lastly, I'll just do the client won't run if the socket or if the server is not running. So I'll cancel the server and then I'll try run the client again. And it didn't work. So that's everything, I think. And the documentation will have a breakdown of what everything in that file is doing. But yeah, that's everything working. So thanks.